It's been a long time. Been a long time coming. It's life or death with me, man. But you know, there's no turning back now. This is what makes me. This is what I am.
Feel me?
You can hate me now,
QB,
but I won't stop now. Cause I can't stop now.
Brave Hearts.
You can hate me now,
Come on.
but I won't stop now. Cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now. You can hate me now.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Don't hate me. Hate the money I see. Clothes that I buy. Ice that I wear. Flows that I try. Close your eyes. Picture me rolling. Sixes. Money folding. Chickens. Honeys that swollen. The richest. Knots get in ya. Most critically acclaimed Pulitzer Prize winner. Best storyteller. Thug narrator. My style's greater. Model data. Big threat to a lot of you haters. Commentators ringside try. Watching my paper. Almost a decade. Quite impressive. Most of the best is in the essence. For this rap stuff that I stand for. Expanding more to the big screen. Bill Gates dreams. But it seems you'd rather see me in jail with state dreams. Want me off the scene fast, but good things last. Like your favorite MC, still making some mean cash. First rapper to bring a platinum plaque back to the projects, but you still wanna hate? Be my guest, I suggest.
Money is power. I got millions of dollars on salary.
Do it now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now.
Can't stop.
Cause I can't stop now.
You
Now.
can hate me.
You can hate me now,
Do
I
it
hate
now.
you too.
but I won't stop now.
Come
You
on,
can hate me now.
Cause I can't stop now.
come on.
You can hate me now.
You can hate me
Do
now.
it now.
You can hate me now.
Do it now. I told you, do it now.
Let's go.
You wanna hate me, then hate me. What can I do but keep getting money? Funny, I was just like you. I had to hustle hard, never give up until I made it. Now y'all saying that's a clever. Nothing to play with. Hate on me. I blew, but I'm the same OG. People warn me. When you on top, there's envy. Took my people out the hood, but you doubt on us. Saying we left the hood, but can't get it out of us. My bad. Should I step on my shoes? Give them to you. Here's my cars in my house. You can live in that too. Criticize when I flow for the street. Hate my dress code. Gucci this, Fendi that. What you expect, yo? Nickname Esco. Took this game to its threshold. Best flow, I bet the whole US know. Try to make it like you the realest, but who the illest? Think we all know the answer to that. Cause feel us, right?
You think I'ma come this far and let you stop me now? I ain't
Do it now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now.
Now.
Can't stop.
Cause I can't stop now.
Do
You
it
can
now.
hate me.
You can hate me now,
I hate you too.
but I won't stop now.
You can hate me now.
Cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now.
You can hate
Do
me
it
now.
now.
You can hate me now.
Do it now.
I like this. I like the way this feels. Let's go.
It's a thin line between paper and hate. Friends and snakes, growing old or early grave. Hell or the pearly gates. I was destined to come, predicted. Blame God, he blew breath in my lungs. Second to none, wicked turn wives to widows. Through satin pillows, the desolate one. Took a little time to claim my spot. Chairman of the board until this game stopped. And I side with the Lord. Ride for the cause while driving up my doors. Plotting, I'm sure they catch me with their to my jaws. Tried sticking me up, but I flipped on these ducks. Instead of me, ambulances were picking them up.
That's what you
People
get.
fear what they don't understand. Hate what they can't conquer. Guess it's just the fury of man. Became a monster, on top of the world. Never falling, I'm as real as they come. From day one, forever balling. Come on. It won't stop.
see